Hi, I'm Nick from Sundance Yacht Sales, and today we're out on a 2023 Prestige Yachts 520 Flybridge that we have listed for sale here in Portland. This boat has been kept in freshwater in a covered marina, so it's in very good condition. As far as I know, it's all up to date on warranty, and I think there is even a little bit of warranty left on the boat. Come on in, let's take a look. So the 520 features this wide opening aft doorway into the salon. The 3 door panes can slide all the way over to the port side, so you can even access the galley. We have the private entry to the midship master stateroom, just to starboard. Let's take a look down there. So full beam midship master, lots of natural light coming in through the big hull windows, which have opening portholes for ventilation. And then the master head, great size master head, toilet over here, and then the shower, very spacious shower. There's lots of storage. There's storage under the bed. There's a closet over there, of course a TV. Let's take a look at the rest of the boat. Again, the galley, aft into port, easy access to the cockpit for entertainment and serving. It's part of the central living space with the salon and the lower helm station. Fridge freezer here, cooktop. It has the dark countertops, which was an upgrade on this model. Very nice touch, very luxurious. And then the salon, this is such a great salon with seating all around. Seating to starboard, side door for access to the starboard side deck, and great for ventilation. And the table, this table converts into a larger dining table. And it is a high-low table. So there's a button over here that will lower the table, and then the TV right here. Let's have a look down below forward. So the VIP stateroom is forward. It has access to this head, the kind of the shared head. So there's access to this head from the VIP stateroom and from the hallway here. And lots of storage all around. Storage under the bed, storage over here, another hanging locker over here, a small vanity over there. And then on the port side, we have the third stateroom, which is split berths. There's a filler cushion to fill this in to make that one, and lots more storage. As you can see, the boat has the Prestige monogram towels. Again, access to the head. Washer dryer under the stairs here. And finally, all the way in the back, we have the crew quarters, which we're using for storage currently. We've got a couple fenders down there and some other stuff. And let's take a look at the Flybridge. Here's the Flybridge of the 520 Fly. So hardtop, galley, lots of seating all over, sunning space. These backrests lift up. So you can, both of these for chaise lounge seating facing forward. And you can see this SeaDek that's been installed on the Flybridge and the side decks and foredeck. We'll take a look at that next. But it looks really good. It's really nice on the feet, really comfortable, pretty easy to keep clean. The upper helm station, so dual screens just like down below, joystick just like down below, bow thruster. The boat has twin Volvo IPS 650s, and it'll cruise happily 22 knots, plus or minus, all day long. Let's take a quick look at the foredeck. So again, you can see the SeaDek on the side deck. Here's that side door, which opens from the inside. And then the foredeck, the bow sun pad. So these backrests come up just like on the Flybridge for more of a chase lounge seating like that. And then this is the foredeck bimini. So this opens up for some sunshade. It comes to about here. So kind of keep your chest up out of the sun if you'd like to relax and read a book or watch a movie on an iPad. And last stop, let's check out the lower helm station. So Chris is running the boat for us right now at the lower helm. So two Garmin screens, just like up above, joystick over by the throttle controls, bow thruster control. The boat has ZipWake, so automatic trim tabs, so automatic roll control. If you'd like to see more on this 2023 520 that we have for sale in Portland, reach out to us. We'd love to show it to you. Again, this is a freshwater boat that has been kept undercover. So you're unlikely to find a boat that's in as good a condition as this one. It's really worth taking a look at if you're in the market for a 520. If you'd like to take a tour of this boat, reach out to us at Sundance, give us a call, send us an email, stop by, no matter where you're located. We'd like to show it to you. Thanks a lot.